So this is how we can make a Word document fillable on the iPad. Let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So it depends on what you mean by fillable, but most likely you just want to edit that document. So at first you have to locate it through your Files app, so it might be saved somewhere in there. And obviously you can tap on it and it will open it through some default app, but instead I like to hold it down on that document and check the open with option, which shows me all of the available apps which can open that document. So for example, if it's a Word document, I can go through the official Word app, but if I go there, it basically doesn't even let me edit that thing because I have to sign in and go through a lot of different things. But instead, I like to open it through the Apple Pages app, which is free for use. It's already likely part of your iPad, and I can go with that option and it just lets me edit that thing. I can just add some additional text or images, whatever, so it just makes it fillable in that sense, so I can fill it out with some additional information. So that is something which I personally like to do, and when I'm done, I can click on share and export and choose perhaps even a different file format, so I can decide if I want to export it as well in the Word, but I can also go with the PDF or whatever other file type I prefer. But yeah, that would be about it from me. I really hope I could help. Let me know if it worked for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hopefully get to see you later in the next videos as well.